Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to learn about division command. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my RSLogix 500, and in previous lecture we discussed about addition command, and now we will choose this one, division command. This is the division. When you so in division command, I will choose this value, old value of C5 colon 0 of the counter value, and in source P I will choose one data register N7 colon 0 for put the value which we like to be make division with this command, and check what's the C5 colon 0 dot ACC. Now compile. Still have any? Yeah, this is the digit value which data register we like to store the value. That here N7 colon 2, that's data register I need for digit value which we like to store the value from that counter C0. How much value comes from the C5 colon 0? This value will be division here by N7 colon 0 after answer saved in N7 colon 2. So simply we will download this program, small program, into the PLC. I think so my communication is not ready. No, it's automatically detect. If your software communication, one more thing I like to share with you, this communication software RSLinks, this here have RSLinks, this RSLinks classic. This is actually only just using for communication with your PLC and your PC. Otherwise this software will be nothing have any use. Only just this communications you have to check and make it configuration, and click auto configure, and after you can see have any problem or your PC is connected with your PC PLC or not. That simply, and after click it OK and close and just scroll down. Bas. Don't stop, but it's running. I think so. Go offline and again download to the PLC. No, this will be make it run. So again we have to download, because this is first not connected with our RSLinks classic. Now it's connected to the RSLinks classic, and it's asking for go to online mode, and now this is okay for running. And when I give the signal at 1 I1 colon 0, after counter will be detects the value. See, one signal one value, and this two signals two value, and this we have to be first fix it here 56. We have to be how much value we like to be division with this data register. For example, I will put 5. That every answer will be saved multi division with 5, which is value came from the field raw value, and this will be division with this 5, and after answer will be come in this N7 column 2 data register. So simply it will be continuously giving the value to us as we give the signal upside. For example, 6, 7, 8 division by 5, how much? 2 answer. If 10, 2, 11 also 2, 12, 13, its value is 3, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20. 20 also we can see this division after answer is 4. 21, 22, 23, how much? 5, 5, 28, 29, 30. Any means as you giving the signal to your counter, or this value will be coming from your analog sensor outside. Raw value comes after you make it here, and you can make division with this any data register. After it will gives you answer in next data register. See, if for example this 76 answer he gives us 15, we will take it here calculator, and for example this 76 I make it division with 5, it answer gives me 5, this 5 and this 76. Let's see this, see 76 division by 5, answer is 15.2. This is showing us 15, and because of this value is after the dot, it will be not shown, only just this first figure it be shown. See for example 76, 78, 78, 9, 80, 81, 82, 83 for example. 83 when you giving 83 with division with 5, and after answer is 16.6. Any means this is near around 17, 16.6 it giving. If we make it more value giving, for 84, 86, 87, 88. 88 gives, he says 18. 88 division by 5, answer is your 17.6 means 18. That's little bit this after that dot it will be not show, that's just first figure it will be shown. Means if it's up from 5 it will be 17 shows a value is 18, but it will be showing 17.6. Otherwise 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 100. 100 multiplied by 5, 20c. Same like 100 division by 5, answer is 20. If it's little increase, because of this your value is also coming in raw value. For example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in, that's what name I can explain you, which odd numbers in even numbers also have different. See 115, 115, 16, 17, 18. 118 it will be show 118 division 5, answer is 23.6. It will be show this value look like. And if you like to this also with the dot also you need to be correct value, you have to be seeing this commands old first in addition, subtraction and multiplication. That commands also you can use with for accurate condition. It will be complete CU. Will next lecture I will explain you how we can this make it exact 100% correct. 23, 25, see 125, 125 division by Simpson 5. How much? Your answer is 25. And if you for example like to be division by 3, for example this is 3, answer is 42. see again 125, 125 division 3, your answer is 41.6 look likes. Means after this dot, this value will be count 1. 41 means 42. So in this video, that's only for division. This also same look like already I previous videos I explained that all commands, this addition command, subtraction command, multiplication command and division command, this all commands basically look like work as a calculator, which value when you get from the field, this value continuously passed from this commands and you will get answer and you can use it in your program. So I hope this you understand about this command. If not understand anything, send me a message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.